going to share you the UI UX design principle where we usually make mistakes. So the rule number 1 is identify the role of elements and give them a particular color based on their identification. So the next button has a high priority because the user usually and mainly clicks the next button more than cancel and previous. So the cancel and previous button has a dark color and it hide the next color identity. Okay, so this is wrong, and the right will be this, because the next button shows their priority than cancel and previous. We have to show the less priority of cancel and previous. Okay. Rule number 2 is make user readability easy. So you have to give me the answer of both of two, guys. So which is easy to readable for you, first or second? Yeah, it's a second, because we have differentiate each and every letter with colors. Okay, so this will be a right answer. Rule number 3 is use a horizontal way in our UX design, and here it's example. The email and the password text is used in the left side of text box. Okay, so user eye moves across Z direction and it gives a pain to user eyes because it's hard to read. So it is a wrong technique. We use up to down arrow. Okay, so we have used text and behind it text box. So we write text first and then text box, and then text and then text box, rather than using a left side text. Okay, we have used text box, and this is the horizontal line we have used in our UX design concept. Rule number 4 is how to use a primary color in your website. Okay, or website or in application design. Okay, anywhere in UX design concept it is. So the primary color of this is blue, and I have used the blue color in everywhere my application. Okay, it looks dull. We have to use a 30, 60 and 10% ratio of, so the primary color ratio would be 30% of whole application. Okay, but I have used 80% of the part of the application using primary color. Okay, so this is the wrong way. We can't use a primary color in everywhere in our application. It looks so odd. Okay, rather than we have to use a gray color in this. Like I have used search buttons gray color here in shoes bar menu. Okay, shoes bar section and down now bar. Okay, so I have used that gray color, which is very little appear in our application. Okay, rather than using primary color. So yeah, this is from my side. Thank you everyone for watching this, and let me know in comment section if you want any another tutorial about UI UX design concept or any another application or website design from me. Okay, I can teach you and make your problem easy. Okay, yeah, that's all.